Welcome in second practical of practical second B Mat 203, and this is the practical for first year students of IIHS Kurukshetra University Kurukshetra. In this practical we will find total differential of a function of several variable using maxima. You already practice this differential equation in your calculus. So how to use this total differential in maxima we will learn here. First of all, u is function of three variable, suppose x, y and z. Then the total differential of this function u is given by curly u by curly x dx plus curly u by curly y dy curly u by curly z dz. In maxima, this dx is written as del of x and this dy is written as del of y and this dz is written as del of z if we are taking the function of three variable. Okay, you can practice with the two variable. So here we first take the function of two variable, then apply the total differential on this function, then take the function of three variable. You can increase the number of independent variable here. So first of all, how to find the total differential of function of, I am first taking the example of two variable. So your notation d of x here is del of x. So del x, this represent the differential of the variable x. If there is del y, it means del bracket start close y, it represents the differential of the variable y. If there is del of z, then this will represent the differential of variable z. How to use this? Again, there is an inbuilt function DIFF and whose total differential you want to write, that expression you will write here. So it will return an expression which contains the del if an independent variable is not specified. There is some specifications but we are not using them here. We will dependency and independency we will learn in the next practical. So here DIFF and this bracket start expression and bracket close, it will gives you the total differential as you calculated in your theory. Okay, first I am entering here function exponential x of y. Here my function is of two variable exponential and I am writing this dollar sign here. The expression, if I ask you h of x comma y and this colon and equal to, this syntax represent the assigning of a function. Here I am taking this cot DIFF. This comma here represent the cot, and if I write this dollar sign here, it will give me the del here, and this is Leibniz notation of total differentiation of a functions. This is my input. I write here dollar sign. That's why it's not showing me the output. I assign this expression in function of two variable x and y. If I want to take the output here, so I will write here h of xy. Let us eliminate this output first here. So I will use there is remove all outputs command here. So I enter here, this is my first input, this is my first. Here I want this output here. What is this output? So I am eliminating this line. Shift enter. It shows me the value assigned here, differential. It's Leibniz notations. If you want what is done in this output, so you will write this expression here. So it is del exponential e to power x of y. If you want to find the expression, what is done here? So here you have to eliminate this cot here. If you simply apply DIFF and expression x and y, you will obtain the total differential of this u function. U is here my e की power xy. So can you tell me what will be the answer here? Write down in this differential, total differential of e की power xy in your copy and check it here. So it will be e की power xy into में inside term का derivative with respect to x, that will be y and del of x. Let us check what will be the answer. I write here $sign, so output is not showing. So to take the output, I have assigned this function in the del h of xy, dhxy, so that I can check the output. The key, your output is x exponential xy. First, it will differentiate e. The derivative of e is e, and inside term derivative with respect to y is x, so it wrote here x, and this differential of y plus partial derivative of u with respect to x, that is e की power xy into inside term का derivative will be y and del of x. As you practice in your calculus, the answer is same. So in this way you can take the total differential of function of two variable. You can directly obtain this differential, just output as I wrote here. The answer is same. Here I assigned these values in a function. In future you want to use this differential anywhere. In that case this will help you. You will write there d of h only. Then this value is assigned there, and in input 6 your output is according to total differential of exponential xy. Let us take the example of 3 variable. Again I assigned this xyz in the function of xyz input 7. This is z square x cube y, this expression, plus y4 x plus z4 x and y. In your exam we will ask you how to find the total differential of a given function. So you will write the expression manually and then you will show me this in the computer, how to run this in Maxima. If you want to find the Leibniz representation of these functions, what is done here? In that case you will write cot differential function and this expression here. So you will write this one. If you want to find the expression what is the output, so this is in this way you will assign this function. Just you will remove this cot sign here. Just simple write DIFF and bracket start and close, and in this you will write the expression to whom you want to find the total differential. There is another way also. Suppose you want to differentiate two time total differential. This is notations. But we will not ask this question because we are just here practicing the total differential of a function of 3 variable. Suppose you are taking the function of 2 variable, that is x and y. What will be the total differential of this one? Yes, differential is y into d of x. So you can check your answer is, this is y del of x plus x del of y. In book you will write total differential of this one is by this expression. I am showing it again, this expression. If you take the again differential of this one, so it will write 2 times. No need of this calculation here. So you can eliminate this. Now you are taking one more example. So w, that is under root of x plus under root of y plus under root of z. How to enter under root function in the Maxima software? That is by square root sqrt, and here is x plus sqrt, square root of y and square root of z. It's my functions. So during exam we can check, we will change the functions and you have to find the total differential of these functions. So how to find differential? The total differential of this function will be 1 by 2 under root x into del of x. Similarly, and 1 by 2 under root of y and d of y, del y, plus 1 by 2 under root of z del of z. So you can check it by writing the syntax. Now tell me the syntax. DIFF and bracket start, bracket close, and the function whom you want to take the total differential. You will write it here and you will obtain these expressions. Okay. Now you can write quit command here. So shift enter quit. तो maximum exited, trying to restart from here. तो यहाँ आपका क्या change हुआ? Your history, this is removed here and this is your complete program. I hope you are understanding this. Practice it. You will learn it. Thank you so much for watching.